Hey guys, it's Lisa, Joyfully Art, gonna make another video for you. Well, if you watched the one video, I told you it was my gray paint that was bad and it had little bumps all in it. Well, I found out it wasn't my gray paint. When I did the ribbon pour video the other day, it had the same bumps all in it. Come to find out it was my floetrol. So I had to sand off the ribbon pour painting, and I filtered my floetrol really good. So we're going to try it again. This is the canvas. It's 11 by 14, and I'm going to, not going to do another ribbon pour on it though. I'm going to do a wrecked ring pour on it. The background is going to be the berry color that it was before, but I'm going to do a wrecked ring pour and see if I got my floetrol filtered good enough. So let's get pouring. If I didn't get my floetrol filtered good enough, I'm not going to do it again. It'll just have to wait until I get new floetrol. But if I can't get my floetrol strained good, I won't be able to do the videos because I'm not going to waste any more paint by having to scrape off my paintings. I can only do that so much on a canvas before you ruin the canvas and you lose paint and you lose the canvas, and it's just not worth it. I don't know if I just got a bad jug of floetrol. I know some people have been having a lot of trouble even getting floetrol, and I haven't, which I'm thankful for. But if I'm gonna get floetrol that is bad like this, I'm gonna have to go to another pouring medium, and I don't want to do that because I've never had trouble with floetrol, and I really like it. It's always done really well for me. So I'm hoping that this was just a fluke. A small wrecked ring pour, so I have some negative space. But I always say that, and then I never do. So let's make sure I don't have too much base on here. Let's give it a torch. I hope my torch isn't out. There we go. Love this berry color, very pretty. Place I do it in a minute. All right, I've got some of my favorite 24 karat gold. I'm gonna put in the middle. And I forgot my cup. Be right with you. Ta-da, magic, here it is. So, I've got ocean green, aqua green, I'm sorry. Start with in the bottom of my cup. And then this is, oh, get it open, Cad Red Light Hue. Got some primary yellow. Whoops, that wasn't supposed to happen. And I have some metallic white. I think that's all I'm going to put. get this yellow off of here without making a big mess. Bigger mess than I already had. What I'm hoping will happen is the gold will sell for me. I don't have any silicone in any of my paints, so here we go. Just gonna take one of my sticks to wreck it with. Let's see. Let's go up through here once and around there. Oops. And once more through there. There we go. I think that's pretty good. Move that off of there. My hands wiped off. I'm gonna torch it one more time. See some air bubbles. There we go. All right. Here we are. Let's see what we can do with it. These colors are really pretty together, I think. I just hope that my floetrol is filtered enough. It was really bad. I filtered the whole jug. Okay, let's look at it. I see something in my paint other than the little bumps the floetrol makes. Tweezers out. Oh, where did you go? All right, I just saw you. This always happens. I put it down and I can't see it. Here my doggy's barking. Oh, there it is. That was a big one. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. I love the colors. Got some negative space out of it. You always want to wipe your sides underneath down so it doesn't pull your design off of your canvas. And we just got to kind of hope for the best with the floetrol, I guess. So far it's looking okay. Really can't tell until it's dry. Give it one more torch. See what happens. Looks pretty good. I want to remind you all that my Etsy store is open. All my information to get a hold of me is down below in the description. Here's a close-up for you. And let's hope that the straining of my floetrol did the trick. And that this one will come out the way it's supposed to. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends, please. Leave a comment if you so desire. I really thank you for watching. And as always, please have a great day.